In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to make sure that suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard is on. To activate it, go into Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down to click on Additional Settings. Following that, hit Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Now you need to select Text Correction and tap on gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Clipboard icon. To activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. To go back, tap on this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on this icon at the top left corner. Tap on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To paste it after an hour, you need to pin it. To do that, hold it and click on Pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, you can hold it and tap on Delete, or swipe it to the right. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!